The Google Pixel 10 and Pixel 10 Pro have leaked again this time, and high-quality renders that show the upcoming phones from every possible angle. And now, we have a much better look at what Google is bringing to the table this year. While Google has already teased the Pixel 10 series, these new images give us a complete picture of the design literally. The fresh renders reveal both the Pixel 10 and the Pixel 10 Pro in full detail, confirming earlier leaks and adding a few more surprises. Let's start with the regular Pixel 10. It's shown in a new color called Frost, and it looks stunning. This new color seems to be replacing last year's porcelain option. It's not exactly white, but rather a very light shade of blue. Think of it as Google's 2025 version of white. It's clean, soft, and refreshing, a perfect choice if you like minimal aesthetics. The Pro model, on the other hand, has been revealed in the familiar obsidian color. That's Google's version of dark gray or nearly black. The renders show a sleek design, with a matte glass back and a glossy metal frame that wraps around the phone. It gives the Pixel 10 Pro a premium, polished look, even if it doesn't stand out too much from last year's model. Now, in terms of design changes, the base Pixel 10 brings one noticeable upgrade: its camera island on the back. The new module looks slightly longer than before, and leaks suggest it may be getting a third camera lens. If that's true, it means the Pixel 10 could be the first non-Pro Pixel to feature a telephoto lens, in addition to the main and ultra-wide cameras. That's a big deal for users who want better zoom capabilities without paying for the Pro. On the other hand, the Pixel 10 Pro seems to stick closely to the Pixel 9 Pro design. From the renders, it looks like the overall size, shape, and even the materials are staying the same. That might be good news for those who like the previous design, but also a bit disappointing for fans hoping for a fresh look. When it comes to build quality, both phones look premium. The Pixel 10 has a matte frame that blends well with the Frost color, giving it a softer appearance. The Pixel 10 Pro, with its glass and metal combination, continues to offer that flagship feel. As for colors, earlier leaks revealed a few more shades that might be available at launch. The base Pixel 10 could come in obsidian, indigo, limoncello, and frost. The Pro model might be offered in porcelain, jade, moonstone, and of course, obsidian. So if you're someone who likes to pick your phone color based on your style, there should be something for everyone. Overall, the Pixel 10 series seems to follow the same design strategy we're seeing from Apple and Samsung. Just like the upcoming iPhone 16 and Galaxy S25, Google isn't making huge design leaps this year. Instead, they're refining what already works, small changes to polish the look and feel, while keeping the signature Pixel identity intact. Some fans are happy with this approach, saying, "If it ain't broke, don't fix it." Others feel Google should have taken more risks and brought something new to the table, especially for the Pro model, where the color choices seem a bit dull compared to the vibrant tones of the vanilla version. But if you're someone who loves the design of the Pixel 9, chances are you'll appreciate what the Pixel 10 is offering. The cleaner lines, elegant finish, and improved camera module make it a subtle but solid upgrade. As we wait for the official launch, these renders give us a clear idea of what to expect. There's no radical redesign, but there are thoughtful refinements that show Google is listening to feedback and improving the user experience one step at a time. So what do you think? Do you like the new Frost color for the Pixel 10, or do you wish Google did more with the Pro version's design? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. And if you're planning to get the Pixel 10 series when it launches, keep watching. This space will be covering everything from specs and performance to camera tests and real-world reviews. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for all the latest updates on the Pixel 10 series.